Hi everyone, I am Tanuja and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are gonna learn some interesting idioms with their meaning and examples. So let's get into it. First one, bite the bullet. That means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage and determination. Example, although the surgery was risky, but he decided to bite the bullet and go through with it. Second one, elephant in the room. That means an obvious problem or issues that everyone is aware of but chooses to ignore. The tension between them is the elephant in the room that no one wanted to address. Third one, cat's pajamas. That means we use it to describe something or someone that is outstanding or exceptional. Her new artwork is simply the cat's pajamas. It's incredibly beautiful. Next one, butterflies in your stomach. That means the feeling of nervousness or excitement often experienced before an important event. Before her performance, she had butterflies in her stomach. Silver lining. That means a positive aspect or outcome in a negative or challenging situation. Losing her job turned out to have a silver lining as it led him to pursue his passion. Next one, rain on someone's parade. That means to spoil someone's plan or ruin their enjoyment. For example, don't rain on her parade. Let her celebrate her success. Next one, barking up the wrong tree. That means to pursue a mistake or misguided course of action or incorrect assumptions. For example, if you think I took your book, you are barking up the wrong tree. Next one, in the blink of an eye. That means something happening quickly or suddenly. For example, the thief vanished in the blink of an eye. Next one, walking on thin ice. That means being in a risky or precarious situation. For example, by taking such extreme measures, he is walking on thin ice with his boss. Next one, off the beaten path, meaning away from the usual or commonly traveled route. For example, they decided to the explore off the beaten path trail during their hike. Next one, fish out of water. That means feeling uncomfortable or out of place in a particular situation. For example, as an introvert, attending a loud party made her feel like fish out of water. Next one, to steal someone's thunder. That means to take attention away from someone's success or achievements. For example, his announcement about getting promoted stole her thunders at the company meeting. Next one, raining cats and dogs. That phrase is used to describe the heavy rainfall. For example, we had to cancel our plan due to the rain that was raining cats and dogs. Next one, jump the gun. That means to act prematurely or before the appropriate time. For example, he jumped the gun and announced the news before it was officially confirmed. Next one, curiosity killed the cat. Being excessively curious leads to the danger or problem. For example, he couldn't resist opening the mysterious package, but curiosity killed the cat when it exploded. Next one, spill the beans. That means to reveal the secret or confidential information. For example, I promised not to spill the beans about the surprise birthday party. Next one, in the dog house. That means in trouble or disfavored with someone. For example, after forgetting their anniversary, he found himself in the dog house with his wife. Next one, out of the blue. That means something unexpected or surprising. For example, he received a job offer out of the blue without even applying. Last one, bird's eye view. That means general or overall perspective of the situation or location. For example, from the top of the mountain, we had a bird eye view of the entire valley. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys.